Hey everyone, it's John here with azWHOLEistic in the CBD studio. Wanted to go over this new amazing product. It's called our Pain Gel Pump. What's really nice about this is as opposed to our containers where you have to scoop it with your fingers, this is an actual pump. So let me show you how it works. It's very simple. Pop the cap off, and this does have a spring-loaded dispenser inside, so you literally can get all the material out of it. So the spring just rises up as the material diminishes, and it's literally one pump, and it gives you a nice little amount. Now what's really most amazing about this product is it is an aloe vera base, okay? So the product is primarily aloe, but there's a whole bunch of really wonderful ingredients in here. Sweet basil leaf oil, black pepper oil, Roman chamomile flower, cinnamon leaf oil, eucalyptus, ginger root, juniper berry oil, lemongrass, and rosemary leaf oil. These are all natural emollients that help to soften the skin, naturally anti-inflammatory. We love this product. It is a high milligram strength, so usually that one little dollop that comes out of the pump is plenty to use on your body, back of the neck, where the cervical bone is, or perhaps on a knee or on a joint or just on your feet for neuropathy. So give it a try. I think you'll be really pleased with this product. It is an aloe base, as I said. So remember, after you rub it on, there is going to be a little bit of stickiness to it until the aloe soaks in. So that stickiness is only lasts a few minutes until the skin actually absorbs it, okay? So hopefully you'll like that. Give us a review. Let us know how you think after using the product. We look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.